So here are a couple things that you need to be aware of when it comes to any dental work that you have, any crowns, veneers, or any dental work. So first of all, you have to know that crowns, veneers, and your dental work is meant to last for a long time. They're made of very strong material. Once they're permanently cemented to your teeth, they act a lot like natural teeth. But just like anything that could break a natural tooth, anything can break your dental work. So meaning if you're using your teeth as tools, that is a big no-no. If you use your teeth as tools in opening packages, or if you're screwing something into the wall. I've had a patient recently come in and she was holding a screw in her mouth with her teeth and she totally broke two of her teeth that way. So you cannot use your teeth as tools. You also want to be aware of what you're eating. Things that are really hard, sandwiches with hard bread, beef jerky, if you're biting into it and pulling it, like those things you are going to put you at higher risk for breaking your natural teeth or breaking any crowns or veneers that you have. So that's the first thing. You want to be very careful about how you use your teeth. The second thing that you're going to want to be aware of is I usually recommend for my patients to wear a night guard. You want to protect your teeth. So again, they act a lot like natural teeth. So I tell my patients with natural teeth to wear a night guard. I will also tell my patients with crowns and veneers to wear a night guard because as you sleep, if you're clenching or grinding, those forces will wear your teeth down and eventually thin them out and break them. But when you have a night guard in place, it's going to just preserve your tooth structure. It's going to make everything last a lot longer. It's also good for your jaw joint. Could go into details about that forever, but we won't. The third thing is to make sure that you're actually taking care of them the same way you would, again, your natural teeth. So you want to make sure you're brushing regularly, you're flossing regularly, you're getting cleanings with your hygienist regularly, whatever the interval is, whether it's every 6 months, 3 months, 4 months, whatever it is. And you want to make sure that you're also seeing your dentist regularly. Yes, you can get cavities underneath where the restorations are, where the crowns and veneers are, but you want to make sure you're doing your routine dental care so that if there is any problems, they're caught early and we could prevent you having to replace anything if possible. So again, the restorations are meant to last for a very long time. My longest cases have been over 12 years because that's how long I've been out of school doing this. I've had patients come to my office that have had their teeth done over 30 years ago and they still look incredible and they don't need to be replaced. So again, they're meant to last a very long time. So if you have questions about this, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer.